Okay, how you doing, guys? The update to the Synology server is complete. Now on a Samsung TV, and I just booted into the Plex app. And you can see that the menu looks a little different than it did before. The Plex server is actually displaying, and you don't see the Synology server. So if I scroll down to more, you now see the Synology server, and if you pan across, you'll see the movies that are on the Synology server, and you can play those movies. But let's go back, arrow key back, and then back again. But we really want the Synology server on top to be the primary menu. So what we're going to do is we're going to go up to the round circle, which is my logo for my Plex account, and we're going to hit enter on that. And another menu comes up, and you have choices, settings, reset home connection, media service status, library early access, etc., etc. So let's go down to reset home customization, so we can customize the menu. So we're going to click on that and arrow move over to the left hand side and click these movies. Just click everything. And once everything is clicked, go back to continue. And now you can see on the home screen of Plex, the first thing you're going to see on the home page is the Synology server and the recently added movies, recently added TV, and other choices for stuff that's on the Plex server in the cloud. So you can scroll down and pick what you want. If you want to look at classic movies, pick classic movies, and here's your classic movies, and all the other menu items are there, and they should play fine, and you're back to where you started. Now, if for any reason it says it can't connect to the server, you're going to have to log out. Let's just see. You'd go to settings, or again go up to the top, and you can select settings there. But if you go up to the top, you can go right down to sign out, and you sign out and then sign back in, and you'll be connected to the Synology server. So I think that's easy enough now. Each device may have a different menu system, but this is pretty much how you would do it to get back to the menu system the way it was originally, and you'll be back in business, and hopefully this is the last time I'll have to redo the server, and everything should be running fine. So I'm going to try and post this on YouTube. I'll send you a link. Makes it a little easier then for me to try and type this out and explain it, and you'll see exactly what you need to do. One other thing, remember, I do not have your username or your password. I don't have that. If you don't remember that, you'll have to go to the Plex website and ask them to reset your password or send you a username, all of that stuff I don't have. If you can't do that, I'll have to delete you from the system and send you a new invite. So hopefully you all wrote that down and you remember it. And that should do it. Any problems that come up, send me a text, and I'll try and answer you and help you out to get back in business. That should do it. Thanks a lot, and have fun. Take care. Bye.